Cancer Holistic Guidance, Part 23. Dr. Dilip Gadgil, Pune. It is essential that you consider the treatment method, its benefits, its disadvantages, etc. before making a decision. What happens is that when a patient visits a doctor, the doctor tells them what needs to be done. The patient doesn't even ask what the effects are, whether the treatment will make them feel better, or what the side effects are. Side effects like hair loss, diarrhea, vomiting, and loss of appetite are temporary. The main side effect is the weakening of the immune system. A weak immune system is an open invitation to cancer. In the case of cancer, it can relapse and attack in other places at any time. It can happen again, but nobody asks doctors about this. The immunity of infants or very old people is really low, so the chances of diseases are extremely high amongst these age groups. However, no holistic guidance or advice is provided in this regard. If the treatment you are going to opt for has more disadvantages than benefits, there is no point regretting it later, since you will be on the deathbed. Finding the right route and keeping all these things in mind is very important. The right way to address cancer is by improving your lifestyle, mental health, and dietary habits. And then, if you want to use the destruction of cells concept, it could be done to a certain extent in cases where the immunity can't be strengthened any further. However, the maximum effort needs to be directed towards fortifying the immune system. Considering chemotherapy as the only treatment option is wrong. Why did this perception develop? Let us try and decode this. Ancient Indian sciences like Ayurveda, Yoga, and Janakya's Artaniti have been around for thousands of years. The Britishers realized that in order to rule over India, it was essential to overthrow the existing education system. They knew they would have to replace it with their own system. There is a massive difference between the population of India and Great Britain. They came from a faraway land and established their empire here in India. There is no denying that they had the skills and power to rule over us. They leveraged their strengths and suppressed our ancient Indian sciences, which Ayurveda was a part of. We'll discuss this further in the subsequent segments.